Hey everyone, welcome back to our Photoshop tutorial series. In our previous video, we have covered the basics of creating a new document in Photoshop. Today we are diving deeper into the world of Photoshop as we explore its interface and essential tools you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Photoshop pro. So let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a quick tour of Photoshop interface. If you have missed the previous video, be sure to check it out for the fundamentals of starting a new project. Alright, let's have a look at Photoshop interface. When you open Photoshop, you will see panels, tools and options. Let's break it down. So first of all, you see menu bar. This is where you will find various commands and options related to file management, editing and more. Then we have toolbox located on the left side. The toolbox houses all the tools you will need for editing and creating. We will talk about them shortly. Option bar. Just below the menu bar, this bar displays context-sensitive options for currently selected tool. Then we have panels. These docked windows on the right side provide access to layers, brushes, history, and other features. You can customize which panels are visible based on your needs. Then we have document window. In the center is where your project is displayed. You can have multiple documents open at once, each in its tab. Now that we are familiar with the interface, let's focus on some essential tools you will frequently use in Photoshop as an architect or interior designer to create architectural renders or illustrations. So first of all, we have the Move tool, and the command for Move tool is V. This allows you to move and arrange elements within your document. So here you can see an example. Then we have Marquee tool, and command for Marquee tool is M. These tools create selection in various shapes like rectangles and ellipse, perfect for isolating specific areas, and here you can see how you can create different shapes using Marquee tool. After this, we have Lasso tool. So the command for Lasso tool is L. Use this for freeform selections. The Polygon Lasso tool is great for straight-edged selection, while the Magnetic Lasso tool can follow contours. So here you can see an example. After this, we have the Magic Wand tool. It actually works as a magic wand, and the command for Magic Wand tool is W. This tool is used to select an area for your image based on its color or tones. Then we have Text tool. From the toolbar, select the Type tool or simply press T to quickly select it. The Horizontal Type tool, with which you can add text horizontally, is selected by default. If you want to add text vertically, click the Type tool again and select a vertical type tool from the context menu. After this, we have the Pen tool, and the command for Pen tool is P. This tool is a must for creating precise paths and shapes, perfect for outlining spaces and adding architectural details. Then we have Shape tools, and the command for Shape tools is U. These tools allow you effortlessly draw rectangles, ellipse and other shapes. The last we have Paintbrush and the Eraser tool, and the command for Paintbrush is B and the command for Eraser tool is E. Paintbrush lets you apply color and textures, while the eraser helps you fine-tune your designs. These are just few tools to kickstart your Photoshop journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and get comfortable with these tools. And there you have it, a sneak peek into Photoshop interface and some crucial tools to kick off your editing and creating adventures. We have only scratched the surface, but with time and practice, you will become a true Photoshop wizard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you for joining me today, and I will catch you in the next video where we will explore more advanced Photoshop techniques. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram for more design inspiration and updates. Until next time, happy designing.